Hi guys, I'm Miroshan Vijay Kumar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we are going to look unboxing of my brand new iPhone 14 Pro. This one is a deep purple color, and if you see the box is quite slim this time, and this deep purple is one of my favorite colors, so I'm really happy that this time Apple offered that option. And yeah, let's dive into unboxing video of the new iPhone 14 Pro. Hi guys, let's do unboxing by peeling off these two straps, one over here and another one in the back. And as you know, you have to slide it down. This is a unique Apple box, and yeah, wow, amazing first view. I really like the color. It's so shiny. And let's tear the screen cover. So sleek. At the edges you can see, like when I touch my finger, it's get the fingerprint so fast. That's the one disadvantage, but everything looks so solid, nice. So let's put the phone away. And it comes with a, as usual, lightning USB cable, and this is a SIM card ejector, and also a small manual and a free sticker. That's all inside the box. Let's power it on and see what's happened. I'm going to choose English, and my region is Canada. I really like this dynamic island, the new feature in this iPhone 14 models. It's very slim compared to previous models. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer all my previous phone contacts to this new phone, and it will take some time. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next video.